$100 go, $100 bid now, $100 bid now, $100 bid now, $100 bid now, $100 is bid now, $150. $150 bid now, $250.
This is a boat auction, canoe kayak auction. So people bring their used stuff and they sell it off. It's pretty busy every year.
Next, sold. $350 to bidder number, put a C number.
We are at the 2018 Midwest Mountaineering Spring Expo.
Yes, sir.
Jet from Exped and Outdoor Research.
Yes.
Know him well, and he's got a bit of a problem with me this morning.
Well, not just this morning. This has been an ongoing problem. Kevin's an easy mark when it comes to the hat giveaway. And we bring Kevin hats every time to all the shows. We had to bring him separate hats for Canoecopia and for Expo because he'd give all the hats away for Expo at Canoecopia, and then we'd have no hats for Expo. So then we started rationing him hats there. Now we have to start rationing him hats at the Expo because every sob story that comes and says, "Oh, I lost my hat," he'll give him a hat. Oh, and then he takes it to the bar last night, we find out.
Nothing to do with the show.
Nothing to do with the show. And the bartender just says, "Oh, I need a hat. I like your hats." And
they're nice hats.
He trades him a hat for
nothing.
Alcohol.
I still gave him a tip.
Alcohol. And you gave him a tip. And you are easy. So, we have no hats left to give away.
No, we still have
we still have hats.
The ones you rationed me last night that was for this morning.
Right.
I only have 2 left.
Oh, okay. So, don't come to the morning talk. Come later in the day, he'll have more hats.
Oh my Lord. This is what happens at this show. It's anarchy.
Show.
Whoa, it's on. Oh! Here we are at the Midwest show once again, and look at what's going on here. What happened? Oh, and you're horning as well.
Oh, yes.
So what are you doing this year?
This year we are promoting our book, A Year in the Wilderness, and we're pedaling this canoe from Ely to Washington, D.C. to raise awareness about copper mines being proposed on the edge of the wilderness.
That's awesome. Are you going to wear this the whole time?
I'm thinking about it. I got to get it fitted on my helmet, though. You know, I'm not sure how that's going to work.
Is it a separate bicycle, or are you together?
Separate bicycles. So I'm towing, I have all the stuff attached to my bike, all of our camping gear, and Dave is towing the canoe. I think I have the better end of the deal.
Yeah,
do you think that's fair?
Well, when we decided to do this, I was the one that said we got to tow a canoe. So she said, "Okay, well you can tow the canoe then, and I'll tow all the gear." So that was the compromise. That's okay.
It's a good cause.
It is. It is a good cause.
Keep thinking that when you're doing it.
It's worth it. Cause. On the hills, right? Yeah. Over the Appalachian Mountains, this is a good cause.
Yeah. The marriage might be over by the end of it, but yeah. This is for you, Cliff Jacobson. I had a very attractive woman come up to me and say all these great things about my bear story I told, but I'm thinking, I don't remember that bear story. It was a Cliff Jacobson bear story, and she thought I was Cliff Jacobson.
Well, that's quite a compliment.
What did you say?
You're much better looking than Cliff.
Sorry, Cliff. I had to do it.
You don't want to end up in a movie.
And you don't want to end up in my books.
Oh, you're a writer?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. We have a writer here in our midst. And, what, you're not going to ask me if I'm single too, are you?
No. She better not. You know, I drove 325 miles just to meet you.
Oh, no!
What a waste of time!
You already hit on my wife, so I'm a little worried.
Well, this is cool. I've yet to see you here at the show. You're new.
Yes, I am new. We're Van Gogh Auto, and we're out of St. Paul, and we rent classic camper vans.
Okay.
Volkswagen camper vans. Yeah.
So you own your own shop?
We own our own shop. We're a few different things. We're an import repair shop. We specialize in the repair of the Volkswagen Eurovans and Vanagons, and then we rent out these Volkswagen Vanagons to the public. Just really wanting to give people the opportunity to get out of town and relax and break away and stop a little bit and have some fun. So
that's fantastic.
It's important.
Yeah. So what made you start all this?
I've always wanted to be an entrepreneur and start my own business, and I've been around the German brand for a long time, specifically the vans, and my wife and I were kind of at a point in our lives of what are we going to do? Are we going to stay in our jobs that we love, but not necessarily creating the dreams we want, or are we going to just venture out and be crazy and start our own gig? So we did that. We quit our jobs. We had a baby. We went on this adventure to find this ability to have a shop and offer this rental, and we're here. And it's just been a lot of hard work, but it's been worth it.
It's awesome.
Yeah, it's been good.
And it looks cozy.
It is cozy. Sleeps 4, 2 up top, 2 down below. And we stock them full of all the gear so people can come in and just know that everything's here and that their campsite's set up and they've got all the gear that they want. And we've upgraded them with a little amenities to make them just a little more comfortable, and but yet not too comfy, because you still want to go out and be adventurous. And people love it. It's really fun. It's really fun.
All right, tell us the real truth about Howling Radio.
Paddling Radio. Well, okay. So what you hear in like an hour and a half minute interview, which is what we did, actually lasted until about 1:30 in the morning. It was about a 5-hour process, and we mentioned on there that there were some Wisconsin beers involved. So, but yeah, it was good fun. What you don't hear on the breaks is at least as interesting as what we're talking about on the air.
What did you talk about on there?
On this one, we talked about the Oh Shit emergency kit. We talked about going out to the Yukon Journey, which we're going to be doing soon, which is a big charity fundraiser. And then we talked about the outdoor kind. And yeah, so a lot of different things with that, and it was a good time. Those guys are great. Sean and Derek are great.
The same thing happened when they came to my house. I had to kick them out. It's terrible. Very serious organization.
Yeah, and there was whiskey involved at your house too, right?
There was that one.